Hi there, what's going on everyone? I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to explain logical operators in Python. Alright everybody, let's talk about logical operators. Well, these are used to check if two or more conditional statements are true. So, we will be discussing the AND as well as the OR logical operators. There is also a third one called NOT, but that works a little bit different, and I will explain everything you need to know. To understand it better, let's create a program right here. Let's create a program where we will ask somebody for the weather temperature, and then depending on the temperature, if it falls within a certain range, we'll print a message. So we need to use the AND as well as the OR logical operator to do this. So to do this, we will need to use AND as well as OR logical operators. So here I have a prompt. Let me say temperature equals input. What is the temperature outside? Now I am going to cast this as an integer data type. To do this, we use the init function. So what if we want to check to see if our temperature is within a certain range? We can use the AND logical operator to check two or more conditional statements. Let's check if the temperature is greater than or equal to 0 degrees Celsius, and we can check another condition again if the temperature is less than or equal to 37 degrees Celsius. So to do this, we have if temperature greater than or equal to 0 degrees Celsius, and then from here we use the AND logical operator and temperature less than or equal to 37 degrees Celsius colon at the end. While using the AND logical operator, in order for this intercondition to be true, both the condition must be true. This needs to be true and this needs to be true. So if our temperature is equal to or above 0 as well as being less than or equal to 37 degrees Celsius, that means our temperature falls within a certain range. Let's print a message right here. Print today's weather temperature is very good. Today's weather temperature is very good. Again, print go outside. Alright everyone, so when I execute the program, here we have what is the temperature outside. Let's say 25 degrees Celsius. Today's weather temperature is very good. Go outside. Since this condition is true, since 25 is greater than or equal to 0 and again it is less than or equal to 37 degrees Celsius. Let's execute the program again and try a different temperature. Let's say negative 50 degrees Celsius. So it is really freaking cold outside right now. As you can see here, nothing happened. Why? Because our first condition was false. Our temperature is not greater than or equal to 0 degrees Celsius, but our temperature is less than or equal to 37 degrees Celsius. As you can see here, our second condition is true, but our first condition is false, right? Since we are using the AND logical operator, both conditions must be true in order for this statement to be true. Alright, having said that, now let's discuss the OR logical operator. we can check to see if our temperature is below or above a certain range. So let's write as if temperature is less than 0 or temperature is greater than 37 degrees Celsius. So from here we use the OR logical operator. So that means it is going to be either very cold outside or very hot outside. So let's print a message. Print today's weather temperature is bad. And then print stay in your home. Alright everyone, when I choose the program, here we have what is the temperature outside. Let's say again negative 50 degrees Celsius. It displays today's weather temperature is bad. Stay in home. So from here, while using the OR logical operator, as long as one of these conditions is true, then the entire statement is true. It doesn't matter if one of them is false. As long as one of them is true, then the entire statement is true, right? That's why we get this result. Last but not least, we have the NOT logical operator. This works a little bit different from the AND as well as the OR logical operator, because we can check one or more conditional statements instead of two or more conditional statements. With that, what the NOT logical operator will do is, it will take a conditional statement. If it is true, it's going to flip it to false. If it is normally false, it is going to flip it to true. So for this example, if our statement is true, what we can do is we can flip it to false using the NOT logical operator. If it is normally false, we can change it to true. So from here, what we are going to do is we are going to surround one or more conditional statements with a set of parentheses and precede everything within the parentheses with the NOT logical operator, NOT right here. So if the statement is normally true, it's going to become false. Then let's do the same with the else if statement. Surround it with parentheses, surround one or more conditional statements with the NOT logical operator. So now let's try again. What's the temperature outside? Let's say negative 50 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah, from here I just enter negative 50 degrees Celsius. It is freaky cold outside, but we get a positive result. Today's weather temperature is very good today. So to overcome this problem, I'm just going to swap everything with these if statements with each other. Alright, here we have. Now this should work the same as what we did before. Execute again. What is the weather temperature outside? What is the temperature outside? When I enter the weather temperature, let's say 50 degrees Celsius. Today's weather temperature is very good, so go outside. While you are using the NOT logical operator, you can surround one or more conditional statements with the NOT logical operator, and what this will do is flip it from being false to true or from true to false. Well done everyone, that is the basics of logical operators in Python.